Hey there folks, back at you. This is an everyday carry for Teck Stocking Shop. Please like and subscribe. We're on Instagram as well. Tex_talking_shop. And let's get into this everyday carry. What do I carry every day? Well, let's get my pockets empty out. I got markers, flashlight. This is my favorite right here, Kimmel Midwest, rechargeable, magnetic on the end. This has been a great flashlight. Paint marker, Sharpie, grease marker, because I do quite a bit of stuff with steel too. So soapstone, and of course a pen. Well, if you got a pen, you need to have some paper to write with. So I got, I keep notes and stuff like that here in my pocket. So I got that. Got to feed the addiction. So there you go. Smokes and a lighter. Well, right now I've got my phone on the stand here, so I keep carry my phone every day. All right, let me take the next. Keys, truck key, no truck keys, house keys, box keys, stuff like that, with of course a tag on it. Next thing I keep is my Leatherman. This is the Super Tool 300 Leatherman. Love this thing. Can't do without it. Well, it has a belt loop, so that means you gotta have a belt. Here's my belt. I carry this. I have the Dickie one, non-marring belt. So I've got that. What else do I carry every day? My cap. Gotta have a cap. What else do I carry every day? Just give me a second here. All right. My shirt, carry that every day because otherwise I got no pockets to put all my stuff in it. Let's dig in a little deeper. And give me 1 second here. Here we go. And my pants. Gotta carry my pants. I mean, otherwise I can't put a belt on it and stuff like that. So, well, that's my everyday carry. So, Teck Stocking Shop. Peace out, guys.